Here is the South China Sea, one of the world's most productive fishing grounds. In the past 2 days, I was on a fishing ship as a visitor with my uncle, the ship's captain. Even though I was seasick, I still had a very interesting experience watching them fish and enjoying the incredible sunsets in the last episode. Later on, since life on this ship felt very repetitive, I decided to return to the mainland by a seafood transport ship. However, this decision will actually lead to an even more exciting adventure, and that bring me one of the most memorable 2 minutes of my life in this episode.
That 2 minutes, I think only 2 minute journey was absolutely amazing and risky.
Anyway, before heading back to the mainland, follow me back to the fishing ship and let's get even closer to those fishermen's lives.
Oh shit, man. The entire body of this ship is heavily moving up and down. Oh fuck, man. Because of the wave, I think it's time to take another seasickness medicine. I've already taken 4 pills in the past 2 days. Now I'm gonna take the 5th one. Let's get some food today. Go ahead. Oh shit, not bad, bro. 辣椒炒肉, it's plated fried rice, and some, actually, very good.
还对不对？准备过期的吧？
不可以了。
还在大陆上班了。
嗯。
美国那边农村的是很有钱，我们中国也是像美国那个都好了。
第一个螃蟹用几根皮筋儿，都是把它那个钳子绑好就可以了噻。我也来绑一个试一下，我带了个手套。
放心咯。
哦。
喂，水，我要夹啊！喂。好吃嘛？
这绕好几圈儿没？哦，夹，抱到那个夹子。
哎，那抱到夹子上，它在给人打开的，打开要一拿，它在从上面拿嘛。对。啊，要不放一下是吧？我就会弄点拿过来噻。
哦。
要弄个啥？
我怕弄断它。
放在你断了。
断着断着。
那个啊。
那可以不？
是。
掌握点儿，掌握点儿了。So these are the crabs that we just tied. Those crabs with 3 dots in the back are less strong. But for those red ones, they're so fucking strong. Oh shit. Very juicy. See? Very juicy. The meat. So those seasonal. So what type of fish is this? So ugly. So ugly. Look at this one. 把它给我来一拳。Look how big they are. See, while they're cleaning all the dead fish and the trash off the ship, a lot of seabirds are flying right behind us, trying to grab the dead fish they just threw out. Oh! 冷了。
because I'm very, very dirty at this time. So I have to take a shower. Let's see how it look like. Take a shower on the sea. Not a very good environment, but at least you got a spot to take a shower. And it does not have a lock, only notes. Yeah, just like this. If you see this, you will say this is a bad environment. But you still see this, not bad, right? Look at how small this place is. Through the hole of the toilet, you can just see the sea. There's a light in that. And I just use this as my handle. And sometimes I could easily fall into this little hole. And this is how you lock the door from the outside with a screwdriver. So the third day on this ship, I actually cannot see the sunsets, but it's still beautiful, isn't it? Last day on this ship. Tomorrow I will be on another ship.
At these moments, even though I looked happy about heading home, a sudden trace of regret rose inside me. Even though the seasickness had made me suffer, everything still felt worth it whenever I saw the sunsets over the sea. In a life that isn't long yet isn't short either, how many chances do we really get to be this close to the ocean? I may never return to this ship again. After the sunlight faded completely, countless stars began shimmering in the vast darkness above. Suddenly I realized that all the ships drifting on a dark sea looked just like clusters of stars spread across the universe.
你们在海上有没有遇到过啥子危险的事情嘛？
啷个没得呀？
有没有落下去过？
我都落过。07年的时候，落到海里头，差点死了那个。那个在海高头只要落到海里头去了，是很难得进去的。
那你啷个上来的？
那是运气好噻，起到最后一张网了噻，是最后一张网掉到海里头的噻。我光自己也会点水噻。再说我不刚才说的嘛，那船它是起了最后一张网的，如果要是还有几张网的话，都完蛋了。
那现在还有没有掉海里头出来那种事情啊？
啷个没有啊？有啊！你要是他们回去，那头一天，那不都是俺死个了的？
死了啊？
啷大噻？船翻了噻？
翻了？
哎，
那个船那么大的船？
小船。
就是上一个星期。
哎，就是你要是回去的头一天。
来租船的话，一个月工资有好多？
一年的话呀，打工的10万块钱应该是。
10万块。
在那个小船住的时候，那个时候一年的话呀，8、9万块钱也有。
It's 8:13 a.m. in the morning on the fourth day. I start packing all my stuff, and yes, actually I started it yesterday. I'm really unsure if I can leave from this ship today, and I don't know if the small boats will come to us pick me up, because this reef is really fucking strong. If the boats come, we probably can be flip over. Shit. Do you think this is something okay for the small boats?
Because of the waves, my uncle told me I should not board the small boats since it was too risky. So I was not only waiting for the boats to pick me up, but also trying to give up the idea of leaving this day.
The small boat is already here, and it just said that I today cannot take the small boats going back to the mothership and going back to the mainland.
I had always been waiting for the boats to come, but when they finally arrived, I couldn't go anymore. But later, this happened.
You know what? Because I just asked if I can go, and they think the wave is not that strong right now, so I gotta give it a try today.
I will only bring my backpack and leave my mats here because it would be inconvenient to carry it while boarding.
And I'm gonna wear this.
我那个包是该从那个上面放下来，可以直接从下面拿。
下面给他们给你家了。
那我拿了下头的。
那就。那个东西不行嘞，这个东西放在里面，把东西放在里面，两个手抓到绳子，装好。那个东西打我那个东西吊绳，等放到高头，我把你吊下去的噻。
哦，你要从上面放下来。
哎，从放下你下去了噻，你放好。
那我先拿上去嘛。
先到那里去等一些。
哦。走了。哎。过段时间嘛。
抓到那个绳子然后。
两个手抓到嘛。
抓紧了。
哦，要得。
掉到海里面了喽。两个手抓那个绳子，那个脚都踩到那个洞洞，你的脚踩到洞洞。要动作要快。
反正我慢点来嘛，我慢点走。
我能慢点来，那个试了一下不可以。
哦。
那个浪它顺着那个浪一下看准了，一下就踩下去。
哦。
跳下去，不能慢慢来那个。来，你在这边手机下。
来嘛。
我说我侄子啊。
哎，走了我。
对了，那个踩在那个洞洞里头。
哦。
慢一点。对。跳一个。
哦。哎，包包还没下来呀。
哎，兄弟，当家帮我们讲给我们。
哎呦。哦，走了哦。嘿嘿。走了。
耶，走！
What can I say?
Hey! Oh!
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
你包吧。
你放在那里。
我放着。
哎，你赶快。绳子得上啊！
啊好。
绳子。
OK 吗？好，谢谢你。
人搞干上去。
Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, this is a really nice ship. Oh shit. That was so risky. Fucking crazy. And that little boat just went to possibly for another ship. That was our ship. Oh. Holy crap. I totally have no idea where I should be going and who I should be meeting. I'm just gonna stand here for a while. I don't have no idea who I can talk to, and I don't want to walk around. Just that my piece off those crews, because I'm making troubles all the time. I think the captain is sitting in the middle, in the very front, but I don't want to go there. And you can see the floor is wooden. The ship is really fucking shaky because it's moving so fast. Anyway, that 2 minutes, I think only 2 minute journey was absolutely amazing and risky. I like that. The driver is so cool. He's wearing a motorcycle helmet. Oh fuck! Once the little boat lifts, the ship just accelerates so quickly. Look at how beautiful this thing is. 这是把船拖到后面吗？啊，拖到后面。哦。So they're just taking the boats to the end of the ship. I'm gonna go take a look. Because the ship is not running. Oh shit, that's very cool. Oh shit. Look. 你衣服都打湿了吗？ I think it's dinner time. He asked me to go for dinner. Wow. Look, this ship. Oh shit, this ship is really big and wide. Bro, so cool. Oh fuck, look at that. This is just crazy. All the ice on the seafood. Oh, 你们吃。嘿嘿。呀，咁高滑啲㗎，啊。嘿嘿嘿。Wait, I have the same boat in America. 好，谢谢。我不用太多。
那你说带了几辆？
没带。
带了几辆？
哦，带了4辆。
4辆。
哎。
厉害了。
以前我待了1个星期，这第2次来。
感觉怎样？还行吧。
还行啊。
没有读书啊？
啊？
没有读书啊？
我毕业了。
毕业了。
啊，我在工作。
哦。
所以现在没有在上班，出来玩一下。
哎，来一杯。
嘿，我不喝酒的。
不喝酒啊？
哎，我喝不了，我过敏，我喝不了酒。
这样吧。
也不抽。
啊。
也不抽，不抽烟不喝酒。So this is the place we're eating. So windy. I have to hold it like this, and What behind me is probably their fish storage.
在墙上做。
没事，我就在这儿嘛。
啊，
我就在坐在这儿嘛，没事的。
你坐这里没事了。
没事的，没事的。放在那楼下面，放在楼梯下面。
It feels like meeting a fighting voice.
什么时候到啊？明天早上。明天早上。是吧？哦，要开一个晚上啊。是啊。哦。我随便睡哪都可以。
The floor is very clean because everybody are asked to take off their shoes before getting. This room is actually cozy, except for the smoke. I'm the only person who don't smoke here, so that's fair. Look at this old master. He is operating the boat like a mystery man.
So this is where I will be sleeping tonight, a corner on the floor. They said we will arrive at 5 a.m. tomorrow, so that will be another 9 hours on day ship. I didn't know it would take this long because I thought the ship was fast enough. I really hope I can have the mats with me because the floor is so slippery. Whenever the ship moves, I slide on the floor about 20 centimeters. So probably when I wake up tomorrow, I will be slipping into the sea and becoming a fish.
It's 1:51 after midnight. It's actually not in the morning. But along 5 a.m. something. We just arrived, and I'm trying to figure out how can I get it.
我怎么上去？要这里上去可以啊。哦。兄弟帮个忙，慢一点。谢谢。啊？偷渡的？偷渡的。境外来的。境外的。
At these moments, if I had more energy, I should have gone to see how they sell all the seafood to the markets. But I was just too tired to do that.
走喽！好，拜拜。
So I'm just going to this hotel at midnight. Holding these life jackets is very rare. Look like I'm 偷渡客. All right, look at my backpack. There's a life jacket here. Isn't it funny? Usually people just bring a tent or a mat, but I'm just bringing a life jacket. Broadcast saying I should immediately leave. Yes, I want to leave. There are so many cops or customs officers are on their small boats in this river, and they just use the flashlight on me. And they just think I'm such a weird person. This is actually a little bit scary when you're walking at the midnight in the nowhere, seeing a temple like this. But this actually are protecting people, so I should not have any concern. Finally, the main hotel just arrived. So I'm very stink right now. Smell very fishy. So tired.
The port right behind me is where I landed at midnight, which is a Homan port. I also think this is where this video should end. The journey was very amazing, although I had a very rough time on that ship. Also, this is my first time making this type of videos, so I'm still trying to figure out how to make them. So if you like these videos, please give it a like and subscribe to this new channel, and that will mean a lot to me. And in the future, I'll keep doing this and making more videos, so I hope you will enjoy. Maybe see you next time.